The OnePlus 13T just dropped, and it might be one of the most powerful compact phones of 2025. But there's a catch. It's not launching everywhere. OnePlus has a history of pushing the boundaries, and with the 13T, they've done it again. It's powerful, efficient, and sleek, but the release strategy is a bit surprising. The OnePlus 13T packs a 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a sharp 1440 by 2160 resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. It runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. The massive 6,260 mAh silicon carbon battery supports 80-watt fast charging, and the camera setup includes dual 50-megapixel rear lenses, wide and 2x telephoto with OIS, plus a 32-megapixel front camera. It ships with Android 15, featuring Oxygen OS 15 internationally and Color OS 15 in China. It's also IP65 water resistant and available in gray, pink, and black. This phone shows that you don't need a massive device to get flagship performance. It combines premium specs with a compact design, something a lot of users have been asking for. Right now, the OnePlus 13T is only available in China. There's no official launch plan for the US or Europe yet. Importing is possible, but it comes with risks like lack of warranty and software limitations. Even if it's not officially launching worldwide, the 13T gives us a glimpse of where OnePlus and smartphones in general are headed. Smaller, smarter, and more powerful. Drop a like, subscribe to Mobile Hub, and let's make OnePlus notice we want this phone everywhere. Stay tuned for more epic tech drops.